Let's finish it. So you have to include the trips that you have taken for tourism, business, training, any other reason. All the trips have taken outside your home country or the one you live in. So for her, both countries are same because her home country is India and she currently lives in India. In past 10 years or since your 18th birthday, whichever is more recent. Perfect. If a section does not apply, write NA. Enter all names in English and in your native language or script. Okay. Click on continue. Okay. Names now how you will write there. You can you know how this. So I'll put Smith A Lana. Okay. And how to do this in your this one. So again, Google. I'm gonna do. Oh, I should have not have done it. Lana Smith. Smith. This definitely I can do. And then Lana. Okay. And if she has not traveled, did not travel. 7, continue. Your spouse or common law partner. Okay. Now her spouse is who? John. John is a current permanent resident of Canada. Okay, so taken outside their country of origin or residence in the past 10 years. So John's country of origin is India, and he is currently in Canada where it's residence. So definitely he also does not need to do this. So I'll also select did not travel. Okay, destination city did not travel. We click. Okay, I'll click on save and continue. Your dependent children. This does not even apply to her. So I just select like if a section does not apply, right? Not applicable. I can write, I can do both, not applicable. And you can always explain these in later, but this section is not applicable to you, so you can just simply say not applicable. I know people have done both configuration and passed through it. But yes, explain this in the explanation later.